Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here, and I have my Stitch Fix to share with you. This is my first Stitch Fix of the new year, so that is awesome. I got this box and I was thinking, do I have any style goals this year? Do you have any style goals this year? Please let me know in the comments below if you do. Now, I did not request anything from my stylist, so I am curious to see what my stylist sent. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, this is a style subscription company, and I have filled out a style profile. I'm paired with a stylist who sends me 5 pieces to try on at home, and I pay for what I decide to keep. And I always enjoy hearing your feedback on the pieces that I try. And if you can see, I did purchase the Lily Pulitzer top from my last fix. I almost purchased the Liverpool denim. Guys, I didn't purchase the denim, although I really liked them. They were a pair of pull-on Liverpool pants. I'm going to link that video right here so you guys can check it out. The reason I did not purchase the denim is because I really don't need denim. I have so much denim in my personal closet. I need to go through it and purge and decide what to get rid of. And once I do that, then I'll have a better idea of denim that will be great to add to my closet. So perhaps that is my style goal. Getting rid of the things I am not wearing and intentionally purchasing pieces that are going to add value to my closet. So without further ado, let's get into this box and see what my stylist sent. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I'm Kelly Shaffner. I'm so glad that you are here, and I love clothing. If you like clothing, you are in the right place. I really enjoy receiving my Stitch Fix boxes, and ooh, I see something in a color that, okay, here's what the inside of the box looks like. I see this color here. The bundle has kind of broken open. So let me just share this with you. This is what it looks like. I gotta get the scissors out of my hands. See if I can pull this out. Ooh, I feel something hard in here. It's all falling apart. Oh, I think there's a jewelry box, guys. And this is what the bundle looks like. Hold on just a moment. Okay, I got it together, and this is what my stack of goodies looks like. Now on the top I do have an envelope, and this does have an invoice, and yes, I have to pay for anything I keep. I also have a note from my stylist as well as style cards with suggestions on how to style the clothing that she sent. Let me just take a peek at the price. Oh my goodness. So if I buy everything with the discount, the total is only $136. It's $247. $247 is the total. I do have some discounts and some credits. Thank you to everyone that uses my link. You guys are awesome. I do have a Stitch Fix link in the description box below. So if you use my link, you get a little bit of credit, and so do I. So $136. Okay, I hope this is a good one. I do have a return mailer. I hope I don't have to use this, but I can send back anything that doesn't work for me. I also will use this envelope if I need to make an exchange. You can make an exchange if you need a different size. Let's quickly look at the jewelry. The jewelry is Market and Spruce. I did not know that Stitch Fix had branded jewelry. The Miriam Floral Filigree Earrings in Gold. Oh. Okay, so filigree earrings, this is what they look like. They're pretty, and they actually match. They really match a necklace that I purchased from Stitch Fix a few years ago, but I already have matching earrings. Right off the bat, I'm not particularly wowed by those, and I know they're going to be about $28. I think that is the least expensive jewelry that Stitch Fix ever sends. So I don't even know if I'll try these on, guys, but I will give you a close-up when I do the try on. All right, and back to the bundle, the burrito that lost its wrap. Guys, I'm going to try on all the clothes, and we can talk about it at the same time I'm trying it on, but this is what it looks like. It looks like some cozy sweaters and some denim on the bottom. So let's get started. Okay, I'm back. I've tried everything on and I am looking at every single thing on this invoice and it looks marvelous. This is the most affordable fix I've seen in a long time. So like I told you before, the cost of everything, all 5 pieces, is $247. The buy all discount is $61.75, which brings the total to $185.25. I do have some credit, which I could purchase everything for $136.25. Now, I don't like everything. That's the problem. But I mean, the price makes this fix really, really attractive. Let's talk about each individual piece and the price of each piece, and you'll see the try on and perhaps you can help me decide what to keep out of this fix. Let's start with the earrings. And you know, I wasn't extremely wowed by the earrings when I opened the box, but this is what they look like, and I will share a close-up so you can get a better look at them. They are gold tone and they just do have a wire there that goes through the ear. They're pretty and I don't need these. They're marketed in spruce. They're the Miriam gold filigree floral earrings. They're $28, and that's honestly the reason that I'm going to pass these by, because this is costume jewelry, gold-plated costume jewelry. I think $28 is too high for that. I could probably find something very similar at the mall or even at Walmart for a much better price. I have purchased jewelry from Stitch Fix, and I've always just been absolutely in love with the piece. I seldom purchase my jewelry from Stitch Fix, but there you have it. The earrings that I think I'll send back, unless this is a 5 for 5. If this was a 5 for 5, I would keep these earrings and give them to someone as a gift. On to the clothes. I'm starting with the denim because I did wear the denim for the entire try on, and this is what the denim looked like. Yeah, we have some distressed, there's actually a hole, but these are pretty distressed. They do have a raw hem on them. They are plain back, a lot of fading and whiskering on the front. These are STS blue. And these are the Caroline High Rise Straight Leg Jean in blue. These are $59. Now, one of the reasons I really like these, I have this brand, the STS jeans. I bought them from Stitch Fix, and I really liked them. They're distressed as well, but the difference is these are a straight leg. They're a much more relaxed fit. Now, these have an old school denim feel to them, more rigid denim. They are stretchy, though. You can see they do stretch. These are only 1% spandex and 99% cotton. They're very, very comfortable. I like the way these fit and feel, and I am kind of looking for straight leg only. These are a high rise. I didn't feel like they went really high on me, but I am strongly considering the denim. What did you think about the fit on them? I wore them through the entire try-on. That's really helpful for me to decide if I really like a denim, but I'm leaning towards keeping the denim. Let's move on to the sweaters. I like all of the sweaters, guys. So check out this sweater. This is a chevron print sweater, and if you notice, I hope the camera will pick it up, there is a slight color variation. It gets darker, the stripes get darker as you go down, but this is Fortune and Ivy, the Rainier Chevron color block pullover sweater in indigo. So those are shades of blue, and it does have the chevron point at the center. This, I liked it, surprisingly. When I pulled it out, I thought it looked a little boutique-y for my liking, but when I put it on, I really liked it. I thought it paired so very nicely with the denim. It's a perfect size, very cozy. It is an acrylic sweater. The cost on this one is $48. This is what the back looks like. What do you think about this one? I think I kind of like it, and I'm surprised because at first glance I wasn't that crazy about it, but my stylist did say make sure that you style this with the denim that she sent, and I think it's a pretty good pairing. And another super cozy sweater. This one is a rust colored ribbed sweater. Can you see all the ribbing in it? And that's a real light ribbing. This is not a body fitting sweater. It's kind of oversized. I love that the length on the sleeves of all of these sweaters was plenty long for me. This is almost a crew neck. It is a longer length, which I really appreciate. This is a rust color and it's super soft. This is an acrylic sweater. It is $58. It is Vera Moda Leroy crew neck pullover sweater in burnt orange. I call it rust, burnt orange. Now, I saw this was the very first thing I saw when I opened that box up, and I'll tell you what it reminds me of. It reminds me of this sweater. Do you guys remember this sweater? This is a sweater I purchased in December, and I actually tried it on, so you can see it in the try on. This is a Bobo sweater that I purchased from Stitch Fix at the beginning of December. Now, this one is actually, it probably has Kelly hair on it, but it's a red color, and it has some black marling almost in it, and it is a little bit different. It does have a mock neck on it, but I felt like these two sweaters are so very similar in color and almost in style too. Now, this is a crew neck and this is a mock neck, but honestly, I don't think that they are different enough. If I was going to put together an outfit with a red or rust colored sweater, I think that this one is going to work every time. I think I can wear this one in the fall, winter, as well as this one. So I really like this sweater. I think it's priced right, but I think it is too similar to a sweater that I just purchased. Now, this next piece is so interesting, I think. This is a cardigan, an open front cardigan in a window pane. Oh, what do you think about that? I know that bothers a lot of you, and I just noticed it. Let's see what it looks like over here. Yeah, so when you have the plaids that don't line up like that, that's kind of cheap looking. Did you notice that in the try on? I'm just noticing it now as I'm looking in my camera here, in my viewfinder. But okay, let me tell you the things I like about this cardigan. So it's a seamless cardigan, which I think is really interesting, and I'm wondering how it would wear. You can see those seams there. It's also on the cuff, no seams. I don't know what the benefit to that is, but it is interesting to me. I like the interior fabric on this cardigan as well. I for a moment thought it might be reversible. It isn't. It does have pockets, and the pockets are only on the blue side. I think this is nice. This is also by Fortune and Ivy, and this is the Lydia Seamless Open Cardigan in Indigo. I think this would be a better fit if I wore it with a lighter weight top. I was wearing it with my Bobo sweater underneath, and I think it was just a little bit too bulky. I think something more smooth underneath would look much nicer. This is $54, and I really liked it until I started looking at this. That drives me crazy, does it? I know it drives a lot of my viewers crazy too. $54 for a cardigan that even though it's got some cool features, the seamless features, I think that's cool. And I do like the interior because inevitably on these open front cardigans, they do kind of show the inside. Does that look unfinished, or do you guys like that as well? I don't know. Now I don't know about this one. Maybe it's just going to be the jeans and the Chevron sweater. Let me do the math on that. If I only keep my two favorites, the STS blue straight leg high-rise denim and the Fortune and Ivy Chevron sweater, that's $107. Now, the entire fix I could keep for $136. So for $29, I could get another cardigan, a rust burnt orange sweater, and earrings that someone is going to receive in a giveaway or a gift from me. I can't wait to hear what you think about this fix, guys. Please help me out. Leave your feedback. I love chatting with you about the clothes that I receive and try on, and I'm excited about this fix. I'm excited about the new year and what Stitch Fix has in store for me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please join me by subscribing and showing up for another video. That would be awesome. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Blessings to all of you.